7 Fresh Vegetarianism Facts. 1. Growing popularity. Vegetarianism is a dietary choice that has gained significant popularity in recent years. More people are adopting vegetarian lifestyles for various reasons, including health, ethical concerns, and environmental sustainability. 2. Health benefits. Vegetarian diets, when well balanced, can provide numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, obesity, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, vegetarian diets are typically high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. 3. Types of vegetarianism. There are different types of vegetarian diets. Lacto-vegetarian diets include dairy products but exclude meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Ovo-vegetarian diets include eggs but exclude meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. Vegan diets exclude all animal products, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, and even honey. 4. Environmental impact. Adopting a vegetarian diet can have a positive impact on the environment. Livestock farming contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, water pollution, and other environmental issues. Choosing plant-based foods can help reduce the carbon footprint associated with food production. 5. Protein sources. Many people worry about getting enough protein on a vegetarian diet, but there are numerous plant-based protein sources available. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent protein sources. Other options include tofu, tempeh, seitan, quinoa, nuts, and seeds. 6. Nutrient considerations. While a well-planned vegetarian diet can be nutritionally adequate, it's important to pay attention to certain nutrients that may be lower in plant-based diets. These include vitamin B12, iron, zinc, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. It may be necessary to include fortified foods or supplements to ensure sufficient intake of these nutrients. 7. Vegetarianism and ethics. Many individuals choose vegetarianism due to ethical reasons, including concerns about animal welfare and the treatment of animals in the food industry. They believe in minimizing harm to animals and choosing more compassionate alternatives for their diet. Remember that when adopting any dietary lifestyle, it's important to ensure a well-balanced and varied diet to meet your nutritional needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance.